How can you add a travel notice on Citibank card before a trip? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to add a travel notice to your Citi card, log into your Citi mobile banking app or Citibank online. As logged in, what you want to do is select travel notification to add your destinations and date. Once you've done that, you will be able to add a travel notice. You could also do it through a phone. That means you just have to call the customer service number on the back of your card to notify our representative as well. And you have to set up a notice at least 48 hours before departure to avoid potential transaction issues. And you will need to provide your destination, travel dates, and any additional notes as well. And you could add multiple locations for a single trip as well. And you should receive a confirmation by email or within the app once the notice is successfully submitted. So that's how you're supposed to add a travel notice to your Citibank or Citi card before a trip. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.